The 2018 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the New Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel drive, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.